How to disable Windows Update permanently. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can disable Windows Update permanently. So let's get started. The first thing you will need to do is open up your run. For that, simply hit on Windows plus R key together, and then here you will need to search for services.msc. After you type that in, hit enter, and you should be on the services section. You can directly go to services by searching for it in your search bar as well. After you're here, you will need to head over to the Windows section. All of these are arranged in alphabetical order, so it's going to be really easy to find Windows section. And here you will need to search for Windows Update. So search for Windows Update. There is Windows Update. Right click on Windows Update and head over to Properties. Now right here, you will need to go to Startup Type and then disable it. After you select Disable, tap on Apply and then tap on OK. Doing this will disable your auto update, and to completely make it permanent, what you'll need to do is again open up your registry editor. To open up your registry editor, you can head over to your run, simply type in regedit and tap on yes, give it permission, and you should be on your registry editor. Now here you will need to expand on your local machine, expand on your software. After you've expanded on software, you will need to search for policies. So simply search for policies. After you find policies, expand on Microsoft. Now, after you expand on that, you'll need to expand on Windows, where you will need to right click on and then tap on new and then add a key. Now, here you will need to name it Windows, just name it Windows Update. After you name it Windows Update, simply hit enter. And again, you will need to right click on it, tap on new, again select key and name it AU. Now, after you've done that, you can head over to this blank section right here, right click on it, tap on new, and then simply search for dvoid. Now, here you will need to name it no auto update and hit enter. After you name it that, simply open this up and then name the value to 1. Tap on OK and then you are good to go. So that is how you disable Windows Update automatically, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.